Hello there, welcome back. This is Manu here with today's basic English video. Today we are going to talk about numbers and one question. Numbers. 1, 2, 3. These are numbers. Now, I want you to repeat with me when I give those numbers. Okay? So, note the pronunciation also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, I want you to repeat these numbers. Now, listen to them once again. And if you still have a doubt, go back to the video, play it again. So, I'll repeat and you tell after me. Okay? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8. See? 8, 8, 9, 10, 10. Pronunciation is very important. Repeat it. Okay? We will look at the other numbers later. Now the question. Okay. You ask a question. What is this? What is this? What is? What's? So what's this? It's a paperweight. What's this? It's a pen. What's this? It's a marker. What's this? It's a book. Book. What's this? What's this? It's a remote control. It's a remote control. It's a remote control. It is. It's. So it's a remote control. Okay? What's this? It's a marker. Now, a doubt. Doubt. Yeah. Then you say, is this a marker? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Is not. Isn't. No, it isn't. Is this a marker? Yes, it is. See? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. So repeat with me. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Right. So, Is this a remote? Yes, it is. Now, is this a remote? No, it isn't. Huh? What's it? It's a marker. See the question? Is this a mobile? No, it isn't. It's a cover. It's a mobile cover. So, is this a bomb? No, it isn't. What's it? It's a book. It's a book. Simple. So, is this something? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. What's it? It's remember 5 things we learned today. So I want you to practice these 5 things and the 10 numbers till the next class. We'll see you then. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.